About 4 years ago, a Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development Corporation was set to help realize this important value chain. But no money. The oil money is gone. So the mandate says that it should attract private sector investment. In the circumstances, considerable progress is being made, But the point is that other opportunities in Ghana value chains need to be packaged and brought to the attention of credible international investors. That we don't have the money ourselves does not mean we cannot find the money. Let me caution, however, that such value chains invariably require substantial upgrades in infrastructure, such as railways, power. Organizations mandated to provide infrastructure can more easily realize their mandate if they are allowed to operate with minimum interference. Vested interest seekers should not be allowed anywhere near the process. Too many promoters, though they only offer contacts and introductions to high places. They call themselves businessmen and hover around decision makers, seeking to influence decisions in favor of whoever will pay them. They are the economic rent seekers of our time, just like the import license purveyors of the early 1960s. To illustrate, let me give you an example. The Western Rail Line from Sekondi Takoradi to Kumasi should be a financially feasible line, given the volumes of bauxite, manganese, cocoa available to be freighted. Why has this line been so difficult to build and complete? And just by way of reminder, during colonial times, when that line was originally built, the extension of that line from Takwa to Obuasi was made possible because of revenue guarantees in the form of promissory notes given by the then Ashanti Goldfields of £30,000 per annum. Today, that will be about £6 million per annum. Those promissory notes made it possible for the colonial government to raise money to extend the railway line from Takwa to Kumasi. In our times, even today, if you look at the money spent on cocoa roads from 2008, when that policy was started, to 2020, we have spent over $1 billion on cocoa roads. We could have used that $1 billion to deliver that railway line. It's a matter of priorities and choices.